Did you know that even a few seconds of dashcam footage can make or break an insurance claim? If you've ever worried about proving what really happened on the road, the Vantrue E1 Pro dashcam, paired with its Hardwire Kit, might be exactly what you need. Welcome to Autovated, where we break down the tech so you can drive smarter and safer. Today, we're diving into this 4K mini dashcam bundle designed for family vehicles, new drivers, and rideshare pros. The Vantrue E1 Pro packs a lot into a tiny footprint, roughly the size of a dollar coin, so it stays discreet on your windshield. Its Sony IMX678 8-megapixel sensor delivers 4K video at 30 frames per second with a 158-degree wide-angle lens, meaning you'll catch license plates, pedestrians, and street signs with clarity. The included CPL filter cuts down glare from sunlight, improving visibility during tricky daytime driving. On top of that, the PlatePix software combined with STARVIS 2 night vision and an f1.87 glass lens boosts license plate recognition, even at night, with 50% more clarity than standard 4K HDR. Key features make this dashcam practical as well as high-tech. First, the voice control lets you toggle Wi-Fi or snap photos without touching the camera, keeping your focus on the road. Second, built-in GPS tracks your route, speed, and location, viewable on your phone or computer, which is ideal for rideshare drivers or anyone who wants precise trip logging. Third, the 24/7 buffered parking mode, when paired with the Hardwire Kit, records 15 seconds before and 30 seconds after motion, helping you capture incidents while parked, enhanced further by Starlight night vision that brightens and clarifies low-light footage. Pros: the 4K resolution and PlatePix clarity make for highly legible recordings, day or night. Compact, low-profile design ensures discreet placement. Buffered parking mode with Hardwire Kit adds round-the-clock protection. The app and voice controls streamline video management on the go. 18-month warranty offers peace of mind, and regular firmware updates keep features current. Cons: parking mode functionality requires the separate Hardwire Kit, so out-of-the-box protection is limited. Some users report a learning curve with the app interface, particularly for first-time dashcam owners. Compared to competitors like the Nextbase 422GW or Rexing V5, the E1 Pro stands out for its combination of 4K clarity, night license plate capture, and ultra-compact design. Nextbase models may offer touchscreen interfaces and emergency SOS alerts, but at a slightly higher price, and Rexing cameras sometimes fall short in low-light detail. The E1 Pro's strength is its balance of professional-grade imaging in a tiny package at a reasonable cost. The build quality is impressive for a mini dashcam. The magnetic mount holds firm even under heat, and materials feel robust and durable. Vantrue has a strong reputation for customer support, with responsive email replies and ongoing firmware updates to enhance functionality over time. This bundle is best suited for daily commuters, rideshare drivers, and families who want comprehensive video coverage without a bulky device. It's less ideal for performance drivers who might prefer ultra-wide dynamic range or integrated touchscreen controls. If this breakdown has you ready to make every drive accountable, hit that like and subscribe button to stay ahead in the fast lane of auto tech reviews. Verdict: strong option. If you value compact, high-resolution dashcams with reliable night and parking performance, the Vantrue E1 Pro Plus Hardwire Kit is one of the stronger choices in its class. For tighter budgets, Rexing offers competent alternatives, but you may sacrifice night clarity. For extra convenience features like SOS alerts, Nextbase is worth considering. Thanks for watching. The link to get this bundle is in the comments box. Got questions or already own the E1 Pro? Drop your thoughts below. We love hearing from fellow drivers. Until next time, keep your rides smart, safe, and of course, automated.